Hey gamers, today it's your boy Man, and welcome to another video where today I am going to be this is a big thank you video because we recently hit 107 views. That is, in other words, we hit 100 views today. And not only that, then one of my videos hit 50 views. So that's just amazing. I know the thumbnails do not look accurate, but the videos that this video you've been watching, I just want to thank you so much for the support that you've been giving me with these videos, and I just want to thank you so much for the support for 1 month, I think. But before I go into the details, I just want to give you a little bit of how I feel with these 100 views that I got, and then I get 2.7 hours of watch time. But the only thing that actually disturbs me is the subscriber part. Despite getting 100 views, I only have one subscriber, and that actually is pretty weird to me. So I just want to give you a little bit of that. And we got in the reach we have 732 impressions, and then impressions through click-through rate, that is 7.2%, and we are in now 71 percentage of you guys are looking through the channel pages, finding my videos. 94 and the rest are just other things that it doesn't that doesn't even go into it at all. So, and we just got 10 unique viewers. I have no other words at all. And so the average view duration being 1 minute 31 seconds, and our audience, we do have some returning viewers, and we got 4 new viewers. And those viewers who are new to the channel, I just want to give you a little bit of thought of what I think. See, this is the subscribers thing, as I was saying, only one subscriber. So if you're those 100 view people that watch my videos, this is my favor, to if you guys can do me a favor, and I would like to return the favor to you. So the favor that I will return to you is that, um, you guys if you like the content, then you should like the video by clicking that thumbs up video. So like, I'll give it just in case you're new to YouTube. This is the example. See this like button over here? See this like button here? So if see this, I have liked the video, and I'll remove the likes. So that means it now has 0 likes. But if I click this, it shows that you like the video, and you can also do the same by subscribing. You heard that right, that is subscribing to the channel. So I don't have another account, but I know you guys know how to subscribe. I know everything. um in other words, it's really nothing, to be honest. When you're a new YouTuber, you it is very exciting to say that I love you guys. I am so happy to be a part of this YouTube company, and everything else has been going on and on. And we just I want to say that you should download VidIQ. And yes, if you don't know what VidIQ is, VidIQ is giving you some tips and some tags and all, like this channel right here. And when you download, I'm gonna show you how to download its extension. So you click on its video, I believe. Yes, you just click on the new video
Keyword.
like this, and um, then and getting VidIQ for free. You click this one. I take that back. So I really did not know, I don't know how to do this because I kind of forgot. So, so actually now I actually remember. So what you want to do is type in VidIQ, and you need to click this one right here. This, not that one. Um, VidIQ, and you want to click on this right here. Never mind, actually, when you get an extension you just need to click this right here, and there's some extension and it will tell you whether you want to add that extension on VidIQ. And right now I have already got that extension, and I am going to show you how it actually works right now. And VidIQ, if you're watching this video, I just want to thank all support VidIQ that you're giving to all these new YouTube videos. And it's just the basic thing. It gives us a lot of achievements and all, and you tell us never to give up. So what it does, it is gives us a thing right here of what has been going on for the last 60 minutes. Also tells us the percentage of likes each video is having, and here are the things. So to get the full thing, that means I don't have the full thing yet because it's actually a little expensive. But if I go to YouTube Studio, then some videos will be there, and I'm gonna click on one of the videos and show you the details. So so what you want to do is that it shows you this thing. What is our search and SEO, which is also known as search engine optimization, and it shows us everything here. Then we go to the checklist, we'll see all this what we need to do. So as you can see, it gives us a few keywords here, and then you can add them here. And then if you see this thing, it's view in keyword inspector. So you see this, and then you find everything over here, and you need to basically click everything and get them to the blue tick marks. And that's how the tags work. So there's also a thing for the title and the description, but that's only when you are able to get the full entire subscription for this. So again, I just want to thank all of you for the support. It's almost been a month of YouTube, and new video will be coming out soon, and I just want to thank you again. I just have no words at all. And again, a little bit of favor that I'm going to ask to you guys is, if you like my content, you can like the video. Not only that, if you're new, if you're not one of those 100 views, it's okay. You can be one of those 100 views, and you can subscribe. So just if and an announcement that this week there's only gonna be one video, excluding this video that I'm making now. There'll be only one video this week, and I've recorded some videos I have not posted. The real video, that meaning that the video I'm going to make now will be this week, and the other videos they'll be scheduled to every week. So, and then first half of October I will not be making any videos because of the exam I'm having. And I just want to say that October 29th or 30th is will be a PJ Masks video, and I believe I'm going to be making some PJ Masks videos as well. A game of them is coming as well. VidIQ, Babbybluee, Ethangamer. If you're watching this game, Ethangamer, because I'm going to be making a video of his game. If you're watching this video, thank you guys. I have no other words. Just thank you guys. If you have a good day, and we'll be supporting you, all the three of you, all the way till you quit. But don't quit ever. We are always here for you. Thank you guys so much for 100 views for the entire channel and 50 views for the wait for one video. Thank you guys. Bye.